Hello everyone, welcome to Alpha Tech Motors. This video is on how to change your brake pads on your vehicle using the most common tools you can find in your garage. Just make sure you watch the video over and over and just getting the information you need from it. Every vehicle would be different, but the principle is same. Enjoy. First off, you have to locate your jacking point of your vehicle and securely place your jack so it's seated properly. Using the crank handle, just wind that up all the way up until the wheel is freely suspended. Make sure before you do this, you use the tool to crack the wheel nuts, because you do not want to jack up your vehicle and realize, oh, it's difficult to get the wheel nuts off. Just make sure before you do that, the wheel nuts are loosened, so it makes it easier for you to unwind them and place safely to the side. So there is no particular order when it comes to taking it out, but just make sure when you're taking it out, especially the last one, you support the wheel as well, and make sure you put them to the side safely and put your wheel to the side safely as well, so you do not trip and fall over it. And when that's done, make sure you inspect your suspension components, inspect your brake disc as well, because it could be warped sometime or you could have a lip to it, which means it needs changing. And make sure before you do all of this, you've got the right tools as well. For myself, I know I'm using a 14 socket to undo mine, and you can always pop down to your local hardware store and get this, or your little Halfords or Eurocar parts and get these tools as well. Or you can even check on Amazon. I'll drop some links on tools on Amazon you can use as well. And when you're done undoing that, pull out the guide pins and make sure you're checking the condition of the grease on the guide pins as well. And you pop the brake caliper out itself. Once the caliper is out, you can take the old brake pads out. And we've got those little pins that support the brake pads, and that helps with anti-rattling, so it doesn't rattle and vibrate. And those little parts as well, the little silver metal ones, and cleaning, you have to make sure you clean those, because that's where the brake pads actually sit. And when replacing your brake pads, make sure you are replacing your brake pad the right way around, where the brake pad at the back is got the wear sensor on, and replace your metal anti-rattle clip back. Make sure you go up to the front, pop your bonnet, and remove the brake reservoir. Just unlock it, so when you push the pistons back, they have room, the oil has room within that, because you do not want to push that back and there's too much air in the system. And I just put the old brake pads using the water pump pliers, and I just pushed back on it and it went back smoothly. Replace your guide pins. Mine I do not have to lubricate because they are well lubricated. And once you have replaced your guide pins, you just do them up. I do not have a torque wrench. Is it ideal to use a torque wrench? Yes, but sometimes for memory doing this over and over, I know how to do them, or how to do it up without using a torque wrench. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and share this video so we can reach as many people as possible. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you never miss another video. Peace.